In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect a payment gateway in MFB Donate. Once you have logged into your MFB Donate account, navigate to Manage Settings from the menu. Click on Payment Gateway. This page displays a list of all the payment gateways you can configure. We will demonstrate how to configure Stripe in this video, but you can choose any gateway of your choice. Click Connect on Stripe and sign in to your Stripe account. You have successfully configured Stripe. Click More Info for additional details. Once you have configured the gateway, the list of payment methods supported by it will be displayed. You can enable the methods you'd prefer to offer your customers. This process is the same for any other payment gateways.